from Monaco, the World Athletics President, Lord Sebastian Coe, to come and give his remarks, and that will end our program from Athletics Kenya. Thank you.
Your Excellency, the Kiptum family, the President of Athletics Kenya, my good friend Jackson Tue, the athletic family from Kenya and beyond, distinguished guests. That a young life ends so soon and in such a devastating way is, and of itself, enough cause to grieve. That a young life that had in so few years scaled the highest peaks of athletics achievement is prevented from even greater exploits is a cause of intense sadness. It is also on this, one of the saddest days in the history of this great country, legitimate permission to celebrate an extraordinary young man. But it is a celebration suffused in frustration. Frustration because Kelvin would have written more epic chapters in the lustrous history of Kenyan and world athletics. This I know. There can be few words from me today that can ease the pain and sense of loss. For Kelvin's family, his fellow athletes, the legion of friends from within and beyond athletics, many of whom are gathered here today, the Kenyan Athletics Federation, and of course the people of Kenya. But I can speak on behalf of the entire World Athletics family. Kelvin, you will be missed. Our grief and sadness will take time to dissipate. Rest assured, your achievements are treasured, indelible, and secure in the annals of our history and never ever forgotten. May you rest in peace.
Thank you. Next, Your Excellency, I'd like to invite the President of the National Olympics Committee, Mr. Paul Tergat, to come and make his remarks.